STEM Fashion, electronic activity for kids. Let's make a light-up bag today. We will learn about sewable circuits, conductive thread for fabric, and switches. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more.
Welcome to the Whiz Kids Club, where you can imagine, build, play.
What you will need: felt or fabric material, 2 LEDs, 1 coin battery CR2032, 1 switch with coin cell battery holder, conductive thread for sewing, needle, fabric glue or Velcro tape, scissor. Step 1. Test the 2 LEDs. The longer lead is the positive or anode. The shorter one is the negative cathode lead. Twist the positive and negative leads to make one big and one small hoop like this. Insert the battery and test it out. Step 2. Make 2 holes on the felt or fabric. Step 3. Embed the 2 LEDs through the hole. Press down the hoops to make it sit flat on the felt. Step 4. Position the switch parallel to the LEDs. The positive end of the switch should be parallel to the positive lead of the 2 LEDs. Step 5. Tie the conductive thread to the positive end of the switch. Thread the needle and sew it to the positive lead of the first LED. Loop the thread around the positive hoop of LED 1. Continue sewing to LED 2. Finish sewing with a knot. Cut any extra thread. Step 6. Repeat the same steps for the negative end of the switch. Tie the negative end of the switch with the conductive thread. Then sew it to LED 1 and LED 2. Finish the stitches with a knot. The circuit is complete. Insert the battery and test it out. The LEDs should glow. Now flip the felt to add your design. Decorate it as you want. I made a butterfly. Glue or Velcro it to any bag, t-shirt, or fabric. A design challenge for you. Make a glowing owl bag like this. Join the Next Gen Electronics online workshop. Learn more about paper circuits, conductive materials, simple and parallel circuits, motors, batteries, buzzers, LEDs, and more. Join WhizKidsClub.com now. Get more ideas for DIYs and activities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel now.